Welcome to Best of the Worst, where I take clearance rack sweets and rate them from best to worst. Interesting. This is what I have today. Frozen morsels. I've actually been seeing them try to get rid of these for fucking months. Anyway, Shopkin, never heard of them. Okay. Ferrero Rocher, brutalized box. What is that? Jovi fruit roll, a decorated cookie, obviously. So we're gonna try these. You never know. These might actually be the worst. I've had stuff off the clearance rack that's absolutely fucking perfect. It's just a trashed box, so Shopkins. I mean, are Shopkins a thing? Okay, well, I like that we pretend that this is like a good snack for kids. That's a funky texture. Yeah, those are bad. It's like a weird, thick gummy, but it's not gummying the right way. Trash. Moving on. Let's get these chocolate chips. So these are vanilla morsels. It's just like a solid of fat. That tastes like blue. That's gross. Good old Jovi fruit roll. Standard looking fruit roll. Oh. Smells like the healthy ones that my mom gave me when I was a kid. Honestly, I like it better than the Shopkins. It tastes more like food. Fruit leather always smells the same. Okay. It's finally time for the Deco cookie. Okay. I'll take a chunk. Oh, that's weird. I kind of like it. Because it's kind of tasteless. And then it's all frosting. You know, the deco. I think this was from Valentine's Day. I can tell it was made with shortening and not butter, which sucks, but... Final contender, Ferrero Rocher. Okay, what are these even? Like a coconutty thing. What is this? Ferrero Rondoir. Ferrero Rocher, which is the classic, blah, 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 blah. Raffaello. Are you a sheer delicate pleasure or not? Well, you're not a pleasure to open. Ooh, that's a little bit intense. I mean, I'm gonna finish it because I'm committed, but coconutty. How am I supposed to fucking open this? It's just like chocolate pearls, but those look like ants to me. Chocolate. Classic Ferrero Rocher. Actually, this is a little soggy. Are these from Christmas? Okay, Shopkins was the worst. Tasteless, the wrong texture, the box is trash. Fuck you, Shopkin. Yeah, I gotta put frozen, whatever the fuck they are. We don't need to feed anyone this. This isn't food. This kind of just weirds me out. All right, Jovi, you gotta go here. I'm sorry. Jovi is the third worst. The final two spots. Ferrera and my beloved Deco cookie crumb. It's just pleasant, even in crumbs. Obviously, these are classic, but they're soggy. I think I know what I have to do. Ferrero Rocher, second place. And you know what that means. First place, baby. I just liked it. It was the grossest looking, and yet it's the only one I want to eat more of. I'll probably eat all of this anyway, even the fucking Shopkin. You need to know where I stand. Absolute worst, Shopkin. Second to worst, frozen morsels of hell. Third to worst, Jovi fruity roll. Second to best, Ferrero Rocher. And best of the worst is Deco cookie. I will just eat this. I mean, this was fun. I'll probably get sick. It might be worth it. Did I only have fun because I was eating? Maybe. But I ate dinner. This is cool. A plus.